My family's busy schedule means sometimes we have to pack our food to go. But storing food has some drawbacks. Disposable and single-use plastic bags and wraps are terrible for the environment and endanger local wildlife. That's why I use no more plastic beeswax wraps for my family's food. Beeswax wraps are plastic-free and reusable for up to 12 months, made with organic cotton, beeswax, natural jojoba oil, and tree resin. Each wrap is biodegradable, meaning it's compostable. So when I'm done, I could add it to the compost bin, I know, or even use it as a natural fire starter. And due to its flammability, it's important to avoid using hot water as it damages the wax. To use the wrap, simply mold the beeswax around bowls, food, plates by using the warmth of your hands or my hands. Better yet, beeswax is all natural, keeping food fresher, longer. An important side note, wraps are not suitable for raw meats or fish. However, they're still great at preserving organic foods. As a busy mom, I know I can rely on beeswax wraps to meet the needs of my family and the environment. So order yours today.